Imagine this, you build a tiny tool tonight that turns any voice note into structured text, meetings, interviews, lectures, or voice memos. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will build a real-time feeling audio transcription app using OpenAI Whisper API. We will record in the browser, upload to the server, transcribe with Whisper, and display clean transcript. I have already prepared small React application and I will focus on integrating Whisper API into the React app. And for that we will build Node.js server with Express, which will talk to Whisper API and get us transcripts. Let's jump straight to the code. I will show you my React application and then we will start building integration with Whisper API. And here is how demo app looks, just simple title and subtitle, and also we have that components where we have timer for the record and we have the button to start recording. And then here in the bottom we will have the transcript. That's it, super simple, but let me show you the main part where we fire API request to our server and we hand over recorded file. That's the app structure. We have two components, recorder and transcript box. Recorder I just show you, and transcript box we will see once we have the result. Also I have audio helpers, but let's go to app.tsx. And just for simplicity I wrote my API request straight away in app component. Let's take a look at that. Here I have handle transcribe async function, so here we have some checks and state resets, but the main part is here. So first we need to call FormData, assign it to variable, and then we call FormData append, and here we need to pass file, audio blob, which we get from recorder, and then file name with extension, and in our case it's gonna be audio.webm. We can define in separate constant API URL, in my case is gonna be localhost 3000, and then we gonna use it in our API request. So here we run fetch and we pass that API URL, then we have the root API transcribe, and then we need to pass method post, and as a body we pass that form data. That's it. After that I have some error handling and data processing. And that's it. The missing part is server that is gonna get that file, talk to Whisper API, and then get us the transcript. So let's implement it now. For that we can create another folder and call it server. Inside we will need also src folder. And let me show you my package.json file. And here is the important dependencies we will need. We will need course.env, Express, Multer, and OpenAI. And in dev dependencies we have some types and TypeScript. Then we can create another file, index.ts, in src folder, and there we will have the main setup of the server. At the beginning we need to import packages we just installed. We will need config from .env just to read our environment variables, and of course we will need express and course. And here we call express and assign it to variable app, then we define port, and in our case it can be port from environment variables or 3000. And then we use course and we define origin, and the origin is going to be the URL of our React application. In this case it's localhost 5173. Then we need to call that express.json just to parse incoming request. And in the end we have app listen, we pass that port, and also we'll have just console log as a hint for us that server is running, and we specify port where it is running. So what we need to do now, we need to create a route, which we call from our client application, and also we need to implement handler, which is going to be responsible for transcribing. For that, let's create routes folder, and there let's create transcribe.ts file. The first thing we need to do here is to import router from Express, and then we can create another variable router, and then we can call that router here. As the next step, we can create helper, which is gonna establish connection with OpenAI API. And here is it, but to be able to use it, we need to import that OpenAI from OpenAI package, and here where we are using this. But before that, we have a check. If we forgot to set OpenAI API key in our environment variables, we're gonna throw an error. In case if it is there, we just call that OpenAI, and as a parameter, we need to pass their API key. And that API key we need to get from OpenAI dashboard, so you have to have account there, and then you can create their API key. I will show you how to do that, just to be able to connect to their services. Then we need to define our upload helper, and for the uploads we're gonna use that Multer package. And let's take a look what we have to pass to it as options. First, we specify the folder where we're gonna store the uploads. In our case, it's gonna be just uploads. Then we set some limits that the limit of the file is supposed to be 25 megabytes. Then we have file filter. In file filter, we assign some allowed types of the file. In our case, it's going to be audio web m. And then we have check if the correct file was passed. And in that tiny part, we define where we're going to store uploaded files. And here you see that is going to be uploads folder. And finally, we can define that post route with the path transcribe, the one we already implemented in client. And then we use that upload helper, and here we call single, and we provide here file. And then we have our request response object. Here is how it looks. So let's go step by step. First, we define let variable and call it file path. Then we have try catch block. Inside try, we check. If there is no file passed, we then return an error and saying that no file uploaded. If file is there, we proceed. Here we use that file path and we assign file path from request. Then we log in processing the file, and here we provide original name and file size in bytes. After that, we have that OpenAI variable, and here we assign that connection to OpenAI using that helper get OpenAI client, the one we implemented before. And then we have this part. In that part, we give in the file the proper extension. Here we renamed saved temp file because often it gets created without an extension. And then we call OpenAI. Here is how it looks. So here we call OpenAI audio transcriptions create. And in body of this create, we pass the file. So here we call create read stream and we pass that file path. Then we select a model. In our case, it's going to be Whisper 1, and then we request in OpenAI to return a response as a JSON. And then we have log that transcription complete, and then we return to client that JSON with text, language, and duration seconds. In that part, we have catch block where we return an error 500 in case if transcription failed, and in finally block, we have some cleanup of temp files. That's it. Now we need to go back to index.ts file and do some small updates there. In index.ts file, we need to import that transcribe router, and then we're going to use it here. So we define that root API, the one we already defined in client, and then we call here transcribe router. Setup is ready, but we're missing one thing. We need to get OpenAI key just to be able to run everything together. You need to go to OpenAI dashboard, and here you need to call API keys. In API keys, you need to create new secret key. Then you can select any name you want and the project you want. After that, you need to copy that key. And then in our server folder, we need to create .env file, and here we need to create variable OpenAI API key. And here we need to pass that variable which we copied from OpenAI dashboard. Now we can run it all together and see how it works. Now let's press that start recording and try to record something. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So once I press stopped, so we see that we got file size and we got duration. And then down below transcribe audio button appeared. So let's try to press it. It is transcribing. And perfect, it works. So here is our transcript. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. That's exactly what I have said. And also here we have the words count and characters count. Perfect, easy setup and great result. That's the full Whisper pipeline. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for follow-up, and drop a comment where would you ship this first. That could be Telegram bot voice notes, meeting notes summaries, or sales calls summaries. I'm really looking forward for your replies. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.